Windows updates from Microsoft are critical, but sometimes break things on your PC. Now, if a recent update on your PC has caused new bugs in your Windows workings, then here are some possible solutions. First, a quick reboot is the fastest way to wipe off all the previous tasks from your RAM and clean unnecessary temporary files you have on it. But depending on the type of the update you just had, perhaps you'd already had a quick reboot. Make sure to try manually restarting your PC first, as that can resolve many problems by itself. Now, Windows Backup is one of the popular ways to fix situations like this. Put simply, a backup lets you create copies of your data, which you can then later restore in case of any mishap or emergency. But if you have one, just plug in the external storage that has your backup files, open Control Panel, type in File History, and select Save Backup Copies of your files with File History from the result list. And lastly, a factory reset is the last resort that can, in most cases, fix all of your Windows problems. To do it, go to Settings, click System, choose Recovery, click Reset PC, and you'll be given with these two options. Now you have to choose one and wait for the process to be completed. So that's how to fix problems caused by Windows Update in your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.